Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So consolidation continues for SHIB and very, very good positive closing. Yesterday I made a video talking about all the positives that I see for SHIB, and one more time SHIB has made it very, very clear that it has a bullish engulfing candlestick, and it's actually time for SHIB to probably continue the next impulsive move to the upside. So I think probably to me it does look like the correction is already done for SHIB at the moment, and the candles that are getting printed out here on the daily time frames are incredibly good. So if we start to see SHIB pushing up one more time like this, well, you may see the 10 and the 20 crossing up like this, and then the prices start to continue one more time, probably near next month, and we start to see the next impulsive move to the upside. Atom coins want to kill the zero. I have to kill the zero. It's my main mission. It's my aim in life. Do you remember that childhood essay that we used to write at school? The teacher used to come every day in the morning and she used to say, "Good morning, students," and then you go back and you say, "Good morning, teacher," and then she kind of say, "Sit down," and then you say, "Thank you, teacher," and she says, "Oh, today the topic of the English class is going to be that I want you, Peter, Paul, Sean, Joseph, whatever your name is, write an aim of your life." Atom coins, even though I'm just lying, okay, I'm actually fasting, so I cannot lie, but hey, just take it as a joke. The truth is I didn't say it, but just consider me. Once upon a time I actually said that I am going to kill the zero from SHIB, even though SHIB didn't exist back then, but I wanted to kill a zero from SHIB, and I'm gonna have to kill it no matter what. So like this video if you want me to kill the zero from the SHIB. Now before I even close the video, I want to give you a coin that is totally free in an accumulation. Now we know, alright, jokes apart, we know that buying low, which means that when a coin is down at accumulation, is always a good idea and should be practiced instead of buying when the coin actually leaves the accumulation in 2 weeks or a month or two, and then you start to buy when the hype is actually real. Now Pepe actually had accumulation and people missed and it pumped. We saw ICP doing accumulation and live the train. We saw Bonk, we saw Dogecoin, SHIB as well as actually pumped, and I did actually enter all these coins that I'm talking about when it was accumulation. So I have this, I took this 1 year ago, 1.5 years ago, and it's a paid coin that I told my private members, but out of those 10 coins I'm ready to give you this for absolutely free. So scroll down, click on Discord and message me, the word coin maybe, or just anything, just to get the name of the coin for totally free. See you there, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.